Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming iOS is current and the app you want to hide is accessible. Open Settings and navigate to Screen Time. If screen time is off, enable it now and set a passcode you'll remember. Once done, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions because these controls let you remove app visibility. Make sure you keep the screen time passcode private. It's what prevents others from reversing the hide. This primes the phone for the actual hiding steps that follow. You enable Content and Privacy Restrictions and then choose either Allowed Apps or App Limits depending on app type. For Apple apps, use Allowed Apps. For third-party apps, go to Content Restrictions Apps and set Age Limit to block visibility. Once set, the app icon disappears from the home screen while remaining in the app library if not fully removed. Move on to Verify by swiping to the app library. You'll see the app hidden from home but still installed there. You finish by confirming the app no longer appears on home screens and checking the app library for continued installation. To restore visibility, return to Screen Time and undo the Content and Privacy Restrictions or adjust the app's age limit. Make sure to enter the passcode. If the app seems completely missing, restart the iPhone and recheck restrictions. Sometimes a reboot refreshes the home layout. If issues persist, temporarily disable Screen Time and re-enable it to reset the restriction state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.